In this video, we will continue our study of control flow graphs or CFG of of computer programs, especially as it relates to system testing and verification. We already studied some simple example in the last video where we studied this computer program of a store that gives a discount of 20% for purchases of $50 or more. So we developed its control flow graph like this. Uh, so we already did that in last video. If you have not done, if you have not seen that video, I'll recommend you go to that video first. So we will extend this example a little bit more. Uh, so let's say there is some medicine, and how much we take that medicine depends on age. So let's say if you are 12 years, at least 12 years old or older than 12 years, then you take 5 milligrams of that medicine. And if you are under 12 years of age, you take only 2 milligrams of that medicine. So this is the program. This is we initialize dosage to 0 initially, and then we check if our age is at least 12 years. If it is at least 12 years or more than 12 years, then we dosage is 5 milligrams. But if it is less than 12 years, then we only take 2 milligrams. And then finally, after determining the age specific dosage, we take that medicine of the correct dosage. So this is very simple example. This also contains if statement that we studied in the last video, but here we also have an else. So this was new from the last video. So let's see how we can develop the control flow graph for this simple program. So here is the same program again, and so we are starting with the dosage equal to 0. That is our very first statement, and then we determine our age if we are older than 12 years or not. So once we made that determination, if we are indeed older than or equal to 12 years of age, we set dosage equal to 5 milligrams. And if we are and after setting that dosage to correct amount, we take that medicine. But in case we are not 12 years, we are younger than 12 years of age, then we set the dosage equal to 2 milligrams, and then we take the correct dosage of medicine. So this is a very simple if-else condition, and that's how we can develop its control flow graph. Uh, mm, and once again, we will go through the rules of the control flow graphs. Uh, so here is the same control flow graph. And the very first rule is the nodes represent the computation. So this is very important. So we have 4 nodes in this graph. So the node number 1, uh, where we are setting dosage equal to 0. So setting dosage equal to 0 is a computation. So this node represents the computation. And the node number 2, we are setting the dosage equal to 5. This is another computation. And same way, node number 3 has dosage equal to 2. And finally, at node number 4, we take the medicine, take the amount equal to the dosage. So these are all 4 computations. So they are all happening at nodes. But mhm. But the other part of the graph are arcs. So the arcs don't represent any computation. This is very important for you to remember. They represent only conditions or decisions. So, for example, this arc represents the condition that age is at least equal to or greater than 12. And this arc represents the condition that age is less than 12. So the arcs represent conditions or decisions. And initial node, once more, is here. It is represented by one arc, which is not coming from any other node. So that is our initial node. And final node is represented by double circles. So here is a double circle. So this is our final node. So uh, so this is how we develop the control flow graphs. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comments below and practice. You watch other videos, and I have another playlist that shows how to write simple Java programs using in your browser itself without installing. So that will complement this playlist. So watch both playlists, and have any questions, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.